Before you start to make any changes, find yourself a comfortable position, a place you will not be disturbed. And when you are ready, close your eyes. And as you listen to the sound of my voice, your mind will not go blank, but it may wander to different thoughts, or perhaps daydream. And that's okay, because my voice may become like one you hear in the distance. And as your mind wanders as it wanders, as you follow along with my words, and as you begin to relax more and more with each out breath behind those closed eyes. Any sounds you hear becoming part of your hypnotic experience, and any feelings you feel continuing to bring you even deeper into hypnosis. And should you need to awaken at any time to take care of anything, you'll just open your eyes, feeling fully alert. But for now, you can continue to relax. Relax really deeply on each out breath. And as that happens, I would like you to notice how your shoulders feel. Just notice how your shoulders feel at this moment. And as you notice how your shoulders feel, just feel the muscles relax more and more comfortably. Now, I don't know if they will relax more on the left side of your body or the right side of your body, or will they relax equally? Just notice how they relax deeper and deeper. The muscles in your shoulders. And as the muscles in your shoulders relax, so that comfort and relaxation can spread down through your arms. Each time you breathe out, that comfortable relaxed feeling can spread down through your arms. As you relax, as you go deeper and deeper, each time you breathe out, as you breathe out, so that comfortable relaxed feeling can spread down through your arms, through your elbows, down to your wrists. I don't know whether at this moment it would be more comfortable in your left arm or your right arm. You can just notice that for yourself. Or maybe it's fairly equal. Maybe you may even lose the sensations in one arm or both arms at this moment as part of your hypnotic experience. Or maybe you will feel even more sensations in one arm than another. And it would be interesting for you to discover that for yourself as the arms relax more and more comfortably. As you breathe, just be aware of how those arms feel at this moment as the comfort spreads down your arms. I don't know whether your arms feel lighter than normal or heavier than normal, or whether one feels lighter than the other or one feels heavier than the other. You can just discover that for yourself in whatever way your unconscious mind wants it to happen. One arm can feel different or the same. It doesn't really matter. Just be aware of those sensations, whatever they are, as they get more and more comfortable. Sometimes people feel a sense of heaviness in their arms, and they also feel a sense of heaviness in their body. Sometimes feel light sensations in their arms and light sensations in their body. You might even get one feeling in your arms and a different feeling in your body. Just be aware of whatever your experience is now as you breathe and as you continue to relax deeper and deeper each time you breathe out. That's it. That same comfortable, relaxed feeling spreads from your shoulders down through your arms and can spread down through your back. Just allow that to spread down through your back now. That's it. All the way down through your back, through the muscles in your back, down through the shoulders and shoulder blades, down through your back, down to your waist and down through your chest maybe at the same time, down into your stomach muscles, just relaxing deeper and deeper as those muscles in your back and your chest and stomach relax deeper and deeper, so you can go deeper and deeper into a nice altered state and feel comfortable. You can breathe easily. That's right. As you breathe, so the muscles can relax deeper and deeper. Now, that's it. And somehow you breathe in a wonderful free feeling, having that wonderful free feeling from all that in the same way. And you can be in a special place and yet know there is another part of you listening to my voice. Just feel those muscles relaxing, and I wonder when that comfortable feeling can spread down through your legs as well. Just allowing that comfortable feeling to spread down through your legs, all the way down to your toes. And I don't know, as that comfort spreads down your shoulders, your arms, and your back, as you go deeper and deeper relaxed, and into the chest and stomach, as you go deeper and deeper on down through your legs, whether the same comfort can spread up to the back of your neck or the front of your neck, into your face, into your head, so the neck muscles can start to relax more and more. And you can allow that heavy head to relax. That's it. Maybe the head feeling even more heavier or a little lighter at the moment, but you notice how the muscles just relax as the comfort spreads down to your feet. Just be aware of that now. That's it. All happening by itself. As you experience that, as you're aware of that, you can go deeper and deeper into trance. But don't go all the way into a nice, comfortable, deep, hypnotic state until all the comfort has just spread all the way over the top of your head, all the way over the top of your head, and your whole body just feels so comfortable and relaxed, so comfortable and relaxed. Don't go all the way down into a deep trance until you feel that comfort. Go all the way over the top of your head, all the way through your body, and you will know when that is happening. Because as that happens, you will discover your mind wandering to some other place. So you may not be listening to the sound of my voice anymore. You can just let your mind wander to some other place. To some other place where you can make things a new reality. You can make dreams come true in this new place. Things you have been thinking about doing, or maybe things you never thought about, can become a reality. And as you become aware of that place, and the sound of my voice kind of stays with you, but you don't have to listen to the words because your unconscious can listen for you. Now, as you are so relaxed there, because you have followed all my instructions, and as you continue to do that, your mind is at peace, just at peace, relaxed and calm, and so comfortable. You breathe easily and gently, and you feel yourself relaxing more and more. Your mind becoming more and more calm, just like a lake without a ripple. So calm, and more at ease, as you now relax there, focusing on your body. And as you now go from head to toe thinking about your body becomes stronger and stronger. That's right. Just imagine your body from head to toe. You are reviewing your body, thinking about your body, thinking, looking at your body, imagining your body as you move slowly down, scanning your whole body from head to toe. And as you come to a part of your body where you would like to increase muscle, just focus some warmth, energy there. That's right. For example, if you come to your shoulders and you want those muscles to increase, find yourself focusing some warm energy on your shoulders. And you can feel the response from your shoulders as they respond. They almost seem to say, yes, yes. You will increase in size, become stronger. Or for example, if you want to increase the size of your chest or your arms, you focus the warm energy there. And in doing so, you will hear your body respond, yes, yes. The muscle mass will increase there because your subconscious mind is in charge of increasing your muscles. And you can focus on any part of your body you choose. And over time, that muscle will improve. That muscle will become stronger, or that group of muscles will become stronger day by day. I am speaking now to your unconscious mind, giving it an absolute command that when you sleep at night, the muscles and muscle groups which you choose to increase will increase. That's right. Your unconscious mind is in charge of all body activity, and now it is being given a direct command to increase the muscle mass in those parts of your body which you choose to increase. That's right. So throughout the day, Think about those parts of your body where you would like larger muscles. And at night, your unconscious mind must increase the size of that muscle. Your unconscious mind is your controller, and it's at your control. And you direct it to increase the muscles in your body, those parts of your body where you would like to see increase. The other parts have no need to increase. That's right, because you are in charge. Your unconscious mind is now being directed to act on your commands. You are in charge of your mind. You are in charge of your body. And only when you're ready to bring yourself back to full awareness, knowing that changes are beginning to happen before your eyes open or as your eyes open. Bring yourself back to full awareness, bringing all the energy back into your body, filling every nerve, every fiber, every muscle of your body with energy. Bringing yourself back to full awareness, feeling wonderful in your own way, in your own time.